Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here. Today's video, let me show you two samples of our Kinky Street hair bundles. These are both Kinky Street hair bundles. On the left hand, this is the Remy hair Kinky Street bundles, which is steamed from the Remy hair, and this is a raw version hair Kinky Street hair bundle, which means it's steamed from Chinese raw version hair. So both of the hair are very popular in the market and also feel great. As per the language of our clients and the hair stylist, is this hair feels perfect to make it in store. And so both hair will feel very smooth when I try to touch it, and no any problem with the tangling or anything. No matter after wash or before wash, it feels very great and no any problem for dryness or any other problem. And the color is also very natural colors, and the fullness is great, very full, and with 2 or 3 bundles you can easily make a full head. If you like the Kinky Street hair bundle and you want a great quality, looks great, feel great, and lasting for a very long time, great longevity, make sure that check on our website. You can choose between the Remy hair, which is more affordable, good quality, or the raw version hair, which is luxury and lasting a long time. Take your choice. Thanks for watching today's video and have a great day.